Hello everybody, welcome back to my kitchen on this gray and dreary Sunday where we are gonna roast a pork again, and the flavors will be a lot more sunny than this northwest weather. No cookbook in the background this time. It's not that I completely made up this recipe, because, well, you know, it's a recipe and it's 2019. But I did sort of come up with it. It uses the same techniques of slow roasting in the oven like we used in the last one. So I gotta thank Bruce for a great method. But everything else is kind of conglomeration of a lot of different things and some stuff that sounded good, and it turns out pretty nice. So like last time, we're going to make a rub and we're going to put it on the pork, and then we're going to cook it for a really long time, and it's going to be super delicious. And this is a giant bunch of cilantro. We will not use all of this. We will use a small portion of it. But I'll figure out something to do with a good portion of the rest of it. We got a lime, an orange, some garlic, and some black peppercorns, some coriander and some cumin, and some salt, and some olive oil, and a giant hunk of pork. This is 3 pounds. So it's going to take an extra long time to cook, but it'll be worth it. Specialty tool, I suppose. And then the oven. Sheet pan with a rack. Let's go make that rub. Okay. Like last time, we're going to start with the green stuff. You've got a mini food processor. I mean really mini, but mini food processor might be a good tool if you've got one. And I'm gonna give it, because that worked so well last time, a little bit of salt. We'll see what happens. You know what I just remembered? We didn't start with the greens last time. We started with the spices. So I hope this works. Pretty sure it will. It doesn't look quite as nice, but it doesn't look too bad. I'm sure it'll be fine. Oh yeah. Alright. Come on, garlics. I know, I know. This is a workout. Alright. Oh my. All of the zest from both of those. It's a lot. It's okay, we got a lot of pork to cover. Oh yes, it smells very, very good in here. So to this, I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And just a little bit of olive oil. It might have been a little bit more than a little bit, but I've got a lot of pork to cover, so should be fine. Ooh, this smells really, really good. Oh, the limes, of course, smell wonderful. And the oranges. And then we've got coriander seed and plant, 2 times the coriander, which if you absolutely hate cilantro, I bet parsley would work. Anything green. I wonder how basil would taste. That'd be interesting. Okay. Woo! I made a mess again. Let's get the pan out of the oven. All right, pan's ready. Don't really have a good upside or bottom side. Look at that pretty color. You can make this next time someone tells you to eat your greens. Oh. Okay. Looks pretty well covered. Okay, so this is going into the oven, 250 degrees, and because it's 3 whole pounds, I'm gonna go straight for 5 hours. I'm not even gonna check it at 4, and I doubt it'll be done until 6. So I'll see you in 5 to 6 hours. Bonus recipe. And guess what? I didn't forget to buy the jalapeno this time. So yeah, I'm gonna be making pico de gallo, or something, not really pico de gallo, because obviously this not a traditional ingredient. Not really sure if pico de gallo is even a traditional recipe. Know very little about it. Yep. Any minute now. Actually, in 3 minutes and 3 seconds, the oven alarm is going to go off, and then the pork will be done. I think. I hope. So here's everything just all chopped up, mixed up. I don't use a dressing, like a dressing for this, but I do like just a little bit of olive oil. And let's see, not even half of that huge lime went in here. Ooh, yeah, it's good. The whole jalapeno did not go in here either. It was really spicy. And I've already got some hot sauce that I made earlier. So I don't need everything to be spicy. Some cucumbers would be really nice. Mm-hmm. Seven hours later, it's finally done. There's my fork. Oh yeah. Give me that bit right there. Right in the middle. Huh. Guess I'm gonna have a good snack. Ooh. Ooh, yum. Very tender. 7 hours is a long time, but it was a good idea. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna need to go make some food out of this. Oh boy. Ooh, interesting. Huh. So this is a little hot sauce that I made earlier. Nothing really special, I just followed a recipe off the internet. There's habaneros in there, so it's really, really hot. So this is just some store-bought salsa. I'm just gonna I'm gonna dilute the super hot because it's quite tasty. But I also want to be able to taste my delicious pork. So, yeah. Oh boy. Oh man. I took some pretty okay salsa and turned it into... Oh, that is going to be so good on eggs. Anyway. Let's see about this stuff. I'm losing cucumbers. Yep. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of JPIC and Volkgirl's videos and playlists and all the other great food on there, because I'm gonna go eat this now. Losing cucumbers.